Alright, you guys. I'm so sorry for that jump scare. But yes, it is time to take this off again. I can't open my mouth, or talk, or breathe, and I can't feel my face. It's lovely, I know. And here we go. Okay, I'm not doing that again. I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to get our lips. Oh, bottom lip is free. If I keep moving my face, I'm gonna get really scared. Okay. How do I don't know. Oh, okay. Watch this. I just don't want to stretch it too much. I want it to come off in one piece. Oh no, it has my hair. It's fine, maybe I need to do it fast. Oh, it's fine, I didn't need hair anyways. Okay, we're basically there. This. And you can see the hairs that got ripped out. It feels so good to feel my skin. Well, hey, what's up, you little streaks? See what I did there? Cause it sounds similar to freaks, but it's straight. Never mind. But you already know it is time to take this off again. Whenever I make signs like these, I always have to write it backwards because TikTok mirrors everything. And writing backwards isn't easy. But now that that's done, let's just, continue taking things off. Alright, time for you to go leave my face. Now this one. I really like the third eye, but I need to take it off too. It's literally almost identical to my actual eye color. It's so weird. I'm not even gonna try to take this off. I'm just gonna go shower and I'll be right back. I have showered and I am now clean, and you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, the lighting's really bright. Hello? But yes, it is time to take this off again. Originally, this look was supposed to be like a scary side and a pretty side, but slowly it turned into like heat miser and snow miser, and I don't know how that happened. I better not see any comments about it or I will cry. But now it's time to start learning how to speak Valeria, yes. Contacts. Now that I can actually see myself, it doesn't look that bad. I'm just always so hard on myself for no reason. Anyways, I put thread in my hair to expand the thread. I once again feel like a shoe. A really pretty shoe. Ow. Let's get this over with. Oh no. The gemstones just flew everywhere. Let's do that again. Oh, they just fell. I know you guys need your nightmare fuel. And I forgot to film the last part, but I'm not clean, but I have a different makeup on now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. You already know. I wasn't sure how this look was gonna turn out, but honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. Let's start with the subscribe button. Nice. Now we gotta take this monstrosity off. Ow! Just kidding, I feel no pain. I'm pretty sure that one ripped out my hair a little bit, but it's okay. Gotta take the lash off too. I literally just washed my hair, so I was trying so hard to not get blood in it. But now we just gotta take off the rest of the makeup. I mean, it's not even that scary. This is kind of a nice ombre. Okay, wait, this is the most satisfying part. And then this side. And I am all clean now, and you guys have an amazing day.
Oh my gosh. Take off my makeup with me. I have someone getting to my house to give me an IV in 8 minutes. We gotta do this quick. Oh my goodness, I can't see it all. Take off the cloak. Wipe, 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 wipe. They are going to think that I am crazy. I was also near having a panic attack with that thing on my mouth, so the transition was not that good. But I just needed to be done. I hope y'all are enjoying the Fears and Phobias series because I like them a lot. I am also starving and wish I had time to eat before she got here. But it's fine, she gonna be pumped.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. Oh my god, I'm overheating. I'm gonna learn from my mistakes and take my contacts out first so I can see. Oop, there we go. Or scary teeth. Now the feathers. I already know this one's gonna hurt. That's my skin. Okay, we're making progress. Now we gotta repeat that same thing on the other side. Looking at the good sides, my neck is really smooth now. And now it's just the easy part left. Almost forgot the lashes. Oh boy. I just look delightful. There's way too much hair gel in my hair, so I'm gonna go shower. I took a shower and I'm all clean now. And you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Hey there, little freaks. You know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I'm pretty proud of this one. Like, this is one of the my most favorite looks. I know what I'm saying. I can't talk, but I know what I'm saying. I will stop talking so you guys can enjoy the quality ASMR. Lovely. A lot of you guys are recreating my looks and I love it. It's amazing. I love it when you tag me in your videos. But I rip latex off of my skin because my skin is numb. If it hurts to take off, please use warm water and oil. I will soon be posting a tutorial for that look. And have a great day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, y'all? Do you know what time it is? It's time to take this off again. It's the end of August, so it's officially spooky season, and I'm happy to be doing crazy makeups again. But this look took forever. It is 1 a.m. and I am ready to go to sleep. Just kidding, I'll probably stay awake for another, like, 4 hours. I know myself. What? I ripped it. Oh. Never mind, I didn't actually rip it. I'm just blind and I can't see with these contacts in. It's honestly so sad to be taking makeups like this off, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I actually used a good amount of latex on these, so should be satisfying. My skin looks so red. It's okay, we keep going. Oh, nice. There's this little eyelid. I really hope I finished filming all of my transitions, because there's no going back now. Slowly but surely. It's coming off. Okay, I think that's all the latex I used. Are we ready for some nightmare fuel? Oh yeah. Oh no. I think I'm gonna need to go and shower. Yo, I don't want to take this off. What do I do in this situation? Like, I need to take it off. I took pictures of it. Like, ripping that eyelash off, literally pain. It's 11 p.m. and I should start getting ready for bed, but I don't wanna. I want to have this on. I'm not going to sleep all night. So I thought I would share the pain on TikTok because that's what TikTok has been for me. So let's do it. I can't. It's okay. We got this. Okay, there we go. That wasn't... I'm fine. I am so tempted right now to just redraw the part that I erased, but self-control. Let's do this part right here. Yes, like nothing ever happened. I did not spend 3 hours on this. No, I didn't. Nothing happened. I had no makeup on. Now I understand the people who like to draw on canvases other than faces, because then they don't have to take it off. It just stays. I'm sad. I'm gonna go eat or something. Hey there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I have to whisper because everyone's asleep. Also, while filming the previous TikTok, I somehow got all of this on my carpet and even my poor stuffed animal. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it off. But let's not think about that. Let's take this off. This is great. I'm enjoying this very much. I actually am. I look like Squidward. Ugh, I wish I could never. My favorite part. Alright guys, you go have a great day and I'm gonna go shower and clean off the carpet before my mom sees it. Please pray for me, it's not coming off. can't take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Take it off. I can't take it off. Like,